mẹ́ta.
I see.
Mo fẹ́ boom wá.
How you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be doing a spicy noodles challenge. I'm in Diamond's room now and I've just come to ask her if she's interested in that video, and then she said yes. I'm going to be doing the spicy noodles challenge. Of course I'm going to win her.
He said.
We're going to be betting with 50 pounds. So anybody that first finish spicy noodles will be having the 50 pounds. Okay,
It's gonna be me.
Adding atarudo that is very, very spicy. Keep watching. So I'm going to the kitchen right now to prepare it. Filming stand, my pot. I won't usually have 2 noodles. I usually have 2 or 3 noodles. 4 packs of noodles. Cooker is on now. So this is just a game. It's just a game. I'm going to be having spicy noodles. Hot spicy noodles. I'm going to be placing a bet of 50 pounds. Everyone said she's going to win me. So let's see. This is going to be a great challenge. I'll make sure she doesn't win that 50 pounds. She has forgotten that she's talking to a Nigerian woman that knows how to eat spice. I'm going to be putting 4 atarodo. Really spicy, guys. I'm gonna be using 4 of this. Normally we use 1 of this or even half. To cook noodles is usually like very tiny that I use, but now we're gonna be using 4. It's 2 pepper each, and I'm gonna be slicing them now. Okay. Another. Hey, what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be adding my noodles. I'm not going to be adding the spice yet, so that's going to be very spicy. It's going to spice her. I'm not sure she'll be able to eat this. She'll give up. I love to have Ororo. This olive oil to my noodles. Now the pepper is going in. 1, 2, 3, go! Spicy, spicy pepper. Spicy, spicy pepper. Noodles is cooking and it will soon be ready. Judgment Day is going to come. When I'm ready, I'm going to call her and then the game is going to start. I'm saying. Adding this seafood mix. It's got shrimps in it and it's got seafood. Look at that. Came out from this pack. Just to give it a bit of taste, nice taste. Normally this is the games. As we're eating it, it's sweetening us, you understand? So I'm just going to add this. Up. This is so nice. It's giving. So I'll leave it to dry a little bit more. Same bowl so that no cheating. Going to be equal. We are sharing it equally. It's so delicious. It smells so good. At the same time, I'm so scared, guys. Someone is hungry. Like, okay, let's go then. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, it's given. Look at that, guys. That's one done. Okay. And this is another one. one is a bit much. Do you guys think? Seems to be very equal. What do you guys think? I think this is a bit much. I think this is a bit much. Look at that. But I'll just go for this because I'm the big mommy. Live again the game. Are you eating my shrimps now? What is all this? Hey, you have shrimps.
No,
there.
I don't. Look at all the shrimps that you have. 1, 2, 3. Meta.
Okay. Should I take this water away? So
No, it's gonna move. Like, it's gonna like, I don't know. Just leave it like.
This is it, okay? Whoever wins, ever finish first, we win this £50. Look at that. This £50. You're betting for £50, just £50. The money will be here, okay? So whoever finishes first,
Finishes first.
Yes, finishes first. And number 2, no water until you finish. No water. So,
Okay, you ready?
oh God.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Hi, are you me? What have I signed myself up for? Ah, Jehovah. One thing about me is I eat my food really fast. So I think I should be good. Hey, man, we can move the water our way, please. It's distracting me.
Why are you putting the money?
Because why are you putting
No,
post
let the money be in the middle.
Okay.
Like that. Nothing left in the plate, so you must eat everything.
Okay.
Diamond, why is it going down so fast? Look, babe, she come my effect, but we'll me by. Hi, good. Because I've eaten, I'm not that hungry.
Actually, I didn't eat in school today, so I'm starving, so it's good for them. It's not even that spicy. At first it was so spicy, but now I'm getting used to it.
Hey!
Mufa boom boom. Yes.
Even this fork you brought is not even taking anything.
What, do you want to bring chopsticks?
Hot.
God. Put your bowl down. You're not allowed to pick your bowl up.
Why?
Because No, that's not allowed. That's not allowed. That's not allowed. That's not allowed.
What's wrong with
My
you?
nose is running.
I can do whatever I like.
Because of how spicy.
Runny nose.
Water. Not firm.
Why is it not fair? You don't have to give.
You're picking your ball up.
You to pick it up now.
Guys. No!
Why are you shouting? What's wrong with this one? Thank God Amanda is here. Amanda, come and hold the money for us. I came to this world.
Water, mommy! I can't breathe any water.
Giving up. You give
Yes.
up. You're giving up. She's giving up, oh. She's giving up, oh. She has given up. Guys, I'm the winner. Despite the fact that this game is up, I'm still not drinking water. I will not drink water if I don't want to drink water. She's still eating though, and she has drank water. Can I have my 50 pounds? Can I have my 50 pounds?
I don't have it.
Only.
Take my pocket.
Can I have my 50 pounds?
Take my pocket.
She took the 50 pounds. Somebody that did not win.
It's so good.
Me, I'm a ghetto. Hey! What is that? Gilo moto. Eh? My grace is not auto. Hey, automatic. She's doing it. It's so delicious, guys. Very yummy. Can I have?
I didn't take the 50 pounds.
Can I have my 50 pounds now? You did not win. Why are you taking the money? Give it to me. You did not win. I am the winner. I am the winner. Let me use it to blow you. Let me use it to blow you. I wanna. Hey, I wanna. Ooh. Oh, let me blow myself with this 50 pounds. So that the energy of money will be vibrating all over me. My grace is not auto. You think it's easy to just win 50 pounds? To win 50 pounds like that, just like that.
It's actually really good, but it's just really spicy.
Is that? Sorry, next time try harder, okay? You can see I won the challenge. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell because we're coming with more interesting videos. And guys, we'll see you next in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.